I chose to study music because it's something that I got brought up with early in life, and it's always caught an interest. On my course, I enjoy the fact that you're not confined to a desk, sitting doing paperwork, typing on a computer all the time. Here we go to live venue and set up actual gear for a venue that might actually have a show that night. I've learned how to make sure everyone works together. For a performance, it's not just you and the others, it's all of you working together to make something. After I finish my course, I plan to go work for staging or technical companies that set up for performances, so hopefully it helps me progress into being a technician. Band on the Wall, it helps because we're actually in a live setting. We're in a place that's known for its many performances and gigs. It's real on-site experience, working within the college as well. So you don't have to go out finding apprenticeships or work experience because they have it on site. For people that are looking to study, just do it. Try it, see what happens. You're finding out what you want. Don't be confined to what other people want. How do you want to fit in to life, I guess?